Good morning, and dear tutor and classmates. My name is Hasbedia Sevilla, and student in the University of NAT. This presentation, my daily routine is for course English, and just go. My daily routine in the morning, yeah, I turn off the alarm my cell phone, and I get up in the morning at 4 a.m. o'clock. In the I make breakfast for my daughter, my husband, my and me, and turn off of the TV to in the informant. Okay. At 5 a.m. The I shower and I get dressed. Okay, I go to clean the kitchen and leave everything like clean, and I put off out the link in the room and my house, and um I got the I got up in the bus with my daughter and drop her off the at their at her school and got my work, and the next Monday, and at 12 for past 30 look up for my lunch, and finally after 8 hours I get home and everything is fine at 6 for past 30 p.m. Thank you.